Forex Daybreak podcast, where we trade the Forex market with you. Entry, target, exit, and stop loss levels are covered when we walk you through every trade made in the show. 5% of Forex traders are profitable, and you can be among the winners. If you wish to find out profitable trade signals in the Forex market, Forex Daybreak is the show for you. Now, let's begin today's episode.
Welcome to episode 50, and the Forex pairs we are going to trade today are Euro USD. We are going to trade Euro USD to the downside, and Euro Pound, which is going to be an opposite trade. We are going to buy this and trade it to the upside. It is recommended that you will learn to read the market yourself and not just blindly enter trades based on my signals or from any other signal provider. I will not take responsibility from your trading losses or credit from your profits. Okay, that said, let's start this episode. Okay, let's start with Euro USD. So yesterday we got a pretty nice decline from the high of 114.94, and in my opinion and in my wave count, this is the start of the next larger impulsive wave down, and this opens up a very good trading opportunity, and I think we are going to trade this pair a lot to the downside for the coming weeks. Okay, let's see now this decline on smaller time frame, this 1 hour chart. We can make out the 5-way structure here, which is probably still forming, and I think we are going to sell this pair and put a very tight stop loss reverse order in here as well. Let's see, even on a smaller time frame, let's see 15-minute chart, and here also we can see from the high of 114.94 one strong wave down, then a 3-wave structure correction, then another strong wave down, and then correction, and now we can see one wave down, a 3-wave structure, then another wave down. So I see two possibilities. I see that we are now either forming this previous correction or that we are continuing the decline. Recent price action has been very slow, but I think we will sell here. We will put stop loss reverse order right around this level, which is 113.76. So we're going to put a buy order here, which is at least double the size of the sell order. So let's do that right now. Let's sell here, and then we will put 113.76, and we will put it twice as, or little over twice as big as the sell order. So pending order and buy stop and 113.76 right there. Okay, I'll actually turn these on so you can see. So now we have the sell order, and then we have the very tight buy stop order in case this is still forming the correction. We will get an upwards move, possibly around 114, maybe even if we are forming the larger correction, we can maybe go as high as 114.2 levels. The primary trade here is to trade this starting decline to the downside. Okay, next let's take a look at Euro Pound. Euro pound has also declined from the high of 0.74923. Also we can see a five-way structure formed here, and perhaps we will see now a larger correction. And I think we are going to trade this to the upside, and this we can think sort of as a hedge for the previous trade. So in case on Euro USD we get more upside and we have the primary trade to the downside, in this pair we can do the opposite and trade this to the upside. Let's see on a 1 hour chart what is the wave structure here. We can see a 5-wave structure formed here, and also the last wave is quite large compared to the other two, waves 1 and 2. The third wave is not the shortest, but the fifth wave is the longest, so we can expect possibly an upwards move in this pair right now. So we can do a similar trade here on the opposite direction as in Euro USD. So we can buy. We can actually make this a little bit smaller. So let's buy here and then do a reverse order just below the peak, which is around 0.739. Limit order here, so let's make it pending order and sell stop. So 0.7339, not 39. All right. So here we can see now the reverse stop loss order and now the buy order here. If and when we see a clear direction for these pairs today, we can start to maybe add a little more trades or close. I'm not going to make any other trades today. We are going to start with these two trades, and my plan is to close these both trades today, as I don't want to leave them running through the weekend. And now that we have the reverse stop loss trades on the opposite direction, we should be okay. So these reverse stop loss orders act as a counter trade. So if we see a move on the opposite direction, we can close both of the trades on break-even point or even with small profit. Okay, that's all for today. Happy trading, and I will see you next time. Bye bye.
Thanks for your interest in Forex Daybreak Daily Podcast. If you like this show, we hope you'll visit our website, www.ForexDayBreak.com. Be sure to check the show notes on our website for this episode. Join us next time for another episode of Forex Daybreak.